Looking for a hassle-free way to handle your waste in Charm City? Welcome to MAC Dumpsters LLC, your premier solution for dumpster rental in Baltimore, Maryland. Whether you're remodeling your home, managing a construction site, or need a reliable waste disposal solution for your business, we've got you covered. With fast, reliable delivery and pickup, plus competitive pricing, MAC Dumpsters LLC is your local partner in keeping Baltimore clean and clutter-free. Our commitment extends beyond providing dumpsters. We ensure each site is respected and left cleaner than we found, reflecting our dedication to the community and the environment. Proudly serving Baltimore and surrounding areas, we are committed to providing efficient, environmentally responsible waste management services. Easy to book and use, we streamline your waste management process from start to finish. Join the ranks of our satisfied customers who have made their projects simpler and cleaner thanks to our top-notch service and support. Visit our website at www.macdumpsters.com to view our range of dumpsters, tailored to meet any project size and requirement. Or call us at 410-205-5330. Our friendly team is here to help you choose the perfect dumpster, schedule your delivery, and answer any questions. With MAC Dumpsters LLC, dumpster rental in Baltimore, Maryland, is made easy. Your project starts with us.